Namaste. I am Vinod Panikar Palakkad. Today we are discussing about Prashna. What is Prashna? According to Kerala astrology, one person's life is analyzed with two things. One is analyzation of horoscope and doing Prashna. Horoscope shows the whole life from born to death. But the Prashna shows that what is the present situation or what is the present. Prashna shows about what is present. So, to calculate or analyze one's problem or one's time become complete with the calculation of horoscope or analyzation of horoscope and doing prashna together. So prashna is very important in Kerala astrology. According to Kerala astrology, one's problem is divided as Nija and Agantuka. Nija is known as Purva Janma, Durida or Punya, that is coming from our birth. And Agantuka is the problem or time or goodness coming after our birth. Okay, that is known as Agantuka. We can find Nija or Purva Janma Durida or Punya by analyzing horoscope, and the time and the subtime or bhukti is shows that what is the Nija Prashna or Purva Janma Durida or Punya affected in our life. But the Prashnam shows that what is the Agantuka Prashnam or the problem that is coming in our life after our birth. So, if any similarity with the horoscope and Prashnam, we are usually told that the Prashnam or the problem or the goodness is as per the horoscope, the after effect of horoscope or time, the planets, etc. If any different from horoscope with Prashnam, we are told that the problem or goodness coming on the after effect of our activities or our thinking, our mentality in this birth. Okay, so Prashnam and analyzation of horoscope is needed to find the real picture of our life. Through Prashna, we can find the solutions of typical questions, just like if the land is or building or house is good or not, if we can do it or not, or if the job is good or not, etc. Through Prashna, we can find the 10 type of negative energy or Badha affected in our physical life. The 10 type of Badha is Deva Badha, Dharma Deva Badha, Pidru Badha, Guru Badha, Sarpa Badha, Drishti Badha, Vagdosham, Vag Badha, and Prayada Badha and Shatru Badha. So, if that type of negative energies or badhas is affected in our life, through Prashna, only through Prashna we can find it, and we can analyze the depth and the varieties of that problem or badha, and only on the basis of that analyzation we can find what is the solution for that. Okay, so the Prashna is most important in Kerala astrology. How to do a Prashna? First of all, just rotate this Choli or Varadi with a great mantra. After that, some astronomical calculations, we can find a particular lagna of that day's planet position, and on the basis of that planet position we can analyze and find what is the problem or what is the badha or negative energy affected in our life, and on the basis of that analyzation we can suggest remedies for that person. Okay, that is the simple introduction of what is prashna. To analyze horoscope and doing prashna, please contact us. Okay, thank you.